Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I want to take a few moments and share with you a brand new 2024 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless that just arrived. Folks, look at this beautiful boat. It's in the platinum color here. As we walk to the back, look at the aesthetics of this boat. Just a beautiful boat with the chrome logo, Boston Whaler. You'll notice here it is equipped with matching white Mercury V8 300 4-stroke engine. Look at this nice 4-rung ladder here for easy boarding on and off the boat. But let's climb aboard and let me show you this boat that's packed with features. Okay, here we are aboard this brand new Boston Whaler, new model year 2024 250 Dauntless. And as I pointed out earlier, look at the beautiful white matching Mercury 300 V8 4-stroke. Folks, look at the casting platform I'm standing on here. This is designed to fish and just a great time. As I step down here into the cockpit, you'll notice a couple things I need to point out. There's raw water wash down in the back. You have storage up underneath there. You can store your ladder there. Here's a 35-gallon live well, bait well tank here, okay? But I have this seat up here on purpose because as you can see over here, the casting platform when you want to fish, but then when you want the extra seating, this is so awesome how it's designed to fit into a seat. And notice everywhere I sit, you have a handrail, recessed handrail to hold on to. And folks, this boat is so smooth in the water. Water never comes in this boat. It's a super dry boat. I want to point out this leaning post here. Tons of storage. You can hold on when you're riding in and out. Tons of drawers back here, rod holders, cup holders. As we move forward to the helm here, beautiful combing bolster seats here with armrest, okay? Does it come equipped with a Simrad GPS chart plotter? You have a glove box here. This is your digital Mercury vessel view that monitors your engine. Premium JNL audio stereo system, your Mercury throttle, digital throttle and shift. I always throw my phones up here. You even had a phone charger, you just lay your phone right there. USB ports. You can store your life vests and so forth up here. As we move forward to the boat, there's another aspect of this boat that makes it really shine. Look at the enormous amount of room up here. Look at the sun lounge up front. See how I have the backrest already up? Again, recessed bow rails, okay? Cup holders everywhere. It already is pre-rigged from the factory with the optional trolling motor. You have a fish box up underneath here you can lift up. And I wanted to show you here too. See, if you want to, you can take all these cushions, put them in the center console. Now you've got a front casting platform for fishing. And look at this, everybody loves this. Look at this enormous 2-person sun lounge here with armrest, okay? But even more importantly, look at the amount of storage up underneath here. My goodness, you can get down there and close this, have a body down there. Here's your optional bow table that hooks right here so you can sit around here and have drinks and refreshments, as well as this boat does come with the optional bow shade. 2 carbon fiber poles go right to the front of the boat. You extend the bow shade and hook to the hardtop. Now the entire bow is shaded for those days at the island or the sandbar. In the center console here, it does come equipped with a marine head, as well as your trolling motor battery trays down there. But folks, this boat just does it all. I can't stress enough how smooth and soft and stable and subtle this boat rides through the chop and the waves. Be my pleasure to show this boat in person. Again, my name is Kenny Brown here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember what I always say, it's about making memories on the water.